Hello guys, welcome to my vlog once again, LazyHousewife. Today I'll be making pasta. I started by pouring in some onions, pepper, tomatoes and onion chop, some tomato paste, and I allow that to mix together. While mixing that together, I was preparing my other spice on the other side. That's garlic. I added garlic and ginger, paprika, and for some smokiness, and I added curry, medium roasted curry for some smokiness too. And I added my smoked fish, my leftover smoked fish, and I allowed that to mix together so it can give me that smoky smell. And I put in some grilled chicken. Yes, I grilled my chicken and some pasta water. Pasta water is very necessary in making your pasta. Allow that to simmer. Oh my god, see the freshness. And I had some cream sauce to eat at this time. Mix it thoroughly together. With my cream sauce, I added also some wine, white wine.